Thank you guys for watching Trading with David 305. We're live. Let's see what's going on here today, guys. Let's see. All right, so we're obviously in a major downtrend. We had some pretty crazy news that we bombed Iran. So that's pretty much showing up on the charts here. And that's what I think it is. If it's your first time tuning into the stream, you're going to hear a couple sound effects. One is
Green Giant.
And the other one is
Tactical nuke incoming!
So Green Giant's obviously it's going up, and Tactical Nuke is it's going down. Let's see what happens today. It already kind of tactical nuked from VWAP. It was just under VWAP, under VWAP. Every time it touches VWAP, it gets displaced to the downside. Major downtrend. Been down, down, down. Don't try to take a long. It is what it is. Let's see what happens, guys. Still got about 20 more minutes until the New York Open. I'll mark out some levels real quick. London High is right here. We're gonna move this line here. Alright, so your London High is 29,415. 29,415 is your London High. Let's see. Damn, all the levels are above us, huh? Okay. We're gonna do another line down here. This is your London Low. Alright, give or take, London Low is 28,909.25. Market is volatile, guys. Very volatile with all this Iran news and Trump speaking at the summit. So we gotta risk accordingly, okay? ATR is 44, so that's the average true range, average trading range, whatever you want to call it. I would not do more than 1 micro if you do trade, and trade at your own risk. This is not financial advice. All right, just saying. All right, guys. Let's see. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button before you do anything else. I need to grow this channel. I need to grow it. All right. Give me 1 second. The screen might go black for just a second. All right. 1 second, guys. I gotta change some things up. All right. Hold on. All right, there we go. So let me refresh this real quick. So today's Wednesday, right? We got our red folder at 2 o'clock. Not much to worry about today, other than the Twitter fingers. The Twitter fingers. You know who I'm talking about. This guy. Now what? Let's see a quick video.
If you visit Iran today, you'll find an Islamic republic with strict religious laws, international sanctions, and decades of tension with the West. But just a few decades earlier, parts of Tehran looked very different. Western fashion was common in many cities. American and European companies operated in Iran, and the country was one of Washington's closest allies in the Middle East. So what changed? Before 1979, Iran was ruled by Shah Mohammad Reza Pahlavi. Rising oil revenues helped fund new roads, universities, industries, and one of the region's strongest militaries. The Shah also introduced reforms that expanded education and increased rights for women in several areas. In major cities like Tehran, many people embraced Western fashion, music, and culture, while Iran built close political and economic ties with the United States and Europe. But not everyone supported these changes. Many Iranians believe the reforms happened too quickly, or mainly benefited the wealthy and urban population. Others opposed the Shah's close ties with the United States. His government also faced growing criticism over corruption, political repression, and the actions of the secret police, Savak, which detained and tortured many political opponents. As economic pressures grew, religious leaders, students, workers, liberals, and left-wing groups all joined nationwide protests demanding change. In 1979, months of protests and strikes forced the Shah to leave Iran. Soon after, Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini returned from exile and led the Islamic Revolution. The monarchy was abolished, and Iran became an Islamic republic with senior religious leaders holding ultimate political authority. The revolution transformed nearly every part of Iranian society. Islamic law became the foundation of the country's legal system. Mandatory dress codes for women were introduced, and many social and cultural rules changed. The country faced the devastating Iran-Iraq War, decades of international sanctions, economic challenges, high inflation, and recurring periods of domestic unrest. History can change a nation in a single year. For Iran, that year was 1979. Nearly 50 years later, its impact is still felt every single day. If you visit Iran today, you'll find an Islamic republic with...
My bad. All right. So a little history lesson there on Iran and how the hell it became such a shit show. Let's see. Let's see, guys. You know, I like the Persians. It's just these Islamic Iranians. They're crazy. They're legit crazy, guys. I do agree with Trump that they should not have a freaking nuclear bomb. Those people want to burn the world. But yeah, I mean, you can't make a deal with people who are erratic, man. Like, they're just that do what they want. Like, everybody's like, oh, Obama made a deal with them or whatever. Dude, they were doing whatever they want. They weren't really listening to the deal they did. Like, oh, it's, bro, those people are radical, extremist, religious extremist people who believe that if they die, they're gonna have like 9 versions for killing kids. You know, like they're messed up in the head. These people are cooked. Yeah, Trump. They're scum. You know what is scum? They're scum. They're sick people. They're led by sick people. You know, they are messed up in the head, bro. These people start shooting at ships that are just trying to pass through the Strait of Hormuz. They think they own it. It's international, and I don't know what's gonna happen there, but I don't know. It's I don't know, guys. I'm just saying. Those people are crazy. They don't want peace. They want violence. They like that shit. Anyways, no news, no economic news. Closing that. Market opens in 10 minutes, guys. Made $50 yesterday. Let's see what we could do today. I'm trading my eval, in case you guys are wondering. Still trading the eval until we pass it. Weird. The timer's not showing up here. That's weird. There we go. Abracadabra. We are ready to go. Let's look at ES real quick. Yep. Looks very similar to the NQ. Big drop here, big drop here. Choppy, but it's choppy at VWAP. Here we haven't tapped VWAP yet. So interesting to see what's gonna happen here, guys. Stay patient. Market opens in about 9 minutes or so. You guys mark out the levels already? So we got London high, that's 29,415. London low, that's 28,909, give or take. All right. Mark out the Asia high there. That's 29,557.50. How's everybody doing today? Everybody's very quiet. Nobody writing in the chat. I got a couple viewers here. Good morning. How are you? Did you get your coffee? Are you ready to trade the NASDAQ? Who's here, guys? I don't know who's here. It just tells me I have currently 4 viewers. I got 4 people, but you gotta say hello. What's up, Ivan? How's it going? Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. There she is. Tampa Trades. Guys, whenever you guys want to live stream with me, let me know. I'll put you right in this little corner right here. You could be at home and on your camera. Good morning, Danny. What's up? Uh-oh, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, market opens. But yeah, I know how to... I downloaded this program that I could put you guys right here, or whoever's gonna trade with me, and we could hear your commentary. You'll see my chart, obviously, but you could be trading from your computer, and we could talk back and forth. So, be pretty cool. Just let me know if you guys are down. I know. You gotta show your face. It's a little nerve-wracking. And talk on live. Guys, there's like 4 or 5 people in here. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. It's only gonna be on the internet forever. Nothing crazy. It's all good, man. I appreciate you guys viewing though. Alright, market opens in 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's see how today goes. Give me 1 second. I have allergies as almost every freaking morning, so I have to go take a Zyrtec real quick. All right, market opens in 2 minutes. 2 minutos. What do you guys think the market's gonna do? I mean, it's been what trend is this? Lower lows, lower highs. Ooh, kind of did like a double bottom here. Didn't go higher though. So a lower high, obviously lower low. So we are clearly in a downtrend. Clearly in a downtrend. Will it bounce off a support? It's possible. It is currently in a pump. So we do have VWAP right here. We do have VWAP right here. So it could fill that. Maybe get up to here and then come right back down. But we're gonna wait, react, to what we see on the chart. I'm gonna switch to 1 micro because ATR is 45 on the 5-minute time frame. So just make sure you give it enough wiggle room. What did I learn from yesterday's break-even trade is, let's put the stop at the structure. Give it enough wiggle room, because obviously I didn't give enough wiggle room to play out. I was right about the direction, but I couldn't make the whole move, obviously, because it took me out of the trade, and then it continued. Why? Because ATR was very high. I think it was close to 60. So you got to give it that 60-point range to play out, more or less, you know, guys. All right, market opens in 20 seconds. Let's go. And on my screen, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you're tuning in for the first time and you're watching me, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, go to your YouTube account and subscribe. Can't subscribe just looking at it. All right, so it did tap VWAP, filled that imbalance on the 1 hour. Let's see if it goes down or if it's gonna continue going up now. It's gonna be interesting to watch. All this volatility. It's going to be difficult to trade, to be honest. It's going to be one and done today. Win or lose, whatever it is. Because honestly, the market conditions are not great. They're not great, guys. Very choppy on the S&P 500 here, as you can see, at VWAP. All right, this thing might be going for a little higher retest. Maybe up here, I don't know. We'll see. We shall see, guys. So the way it would work if you guys did collaborate with me or wanted to come on the YouTube live with me, I could even send it to your phone. It's a link. I send you a link, you open the link, it says access to your camera and your microphone, and next thing you know, you're on the live stream. You hit start and it starts pretty much sending your camera and audio to my stream from wherever you are. So pretty cool. Hold on. All right, let's see how this thing reacts. We're just gonna stay patient today, guys. Stay patient. Maybe not even a trade today, because this thing is very, very volatile. I do not want to take a long on a market that's been trending down. Guys, we're just staying patient while the market decides which way it wants to go in. It's at a key level right now, and we're gonna see if it wants to reject that level or continue upwards. Guys, I really think that this is going to reject to the downside. Obviously, the overall trend is bearish, guys. So I think it's gonna do this little wick, maybe fill this. But overall, I think it's just gonna come all the way down to London lows. I thought it might want to tap the London high here and then reject straight down, but it's retesting VWAP. We'll see. It still could bounce here, rip up here, fill these little red imbalances, and then come all the way down. But overall, I want to look for the short just because of the overall downtrend, guys. I'm not marrying that bias. I'm not marrying it. In case you guys are wondering, I'm not marrying the bias of the short, but don't fight the trend, guys. The trend is your friend, right? So don't fight it. Yeah, it seems like this Iran war is never gonna end, guys. It's never gonna end. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. Well, we're still waiting. We got about 4 minutes and 20 seconds before we get the 15-minute orb. But I'm pretty sure oil is going through the roof, and everybody who shorted the oil is gonna get squeezed. That is just what I believe, but I don't trade oil, but it's good to know a little bit about everything, guys. And there it goes. It's going for that London high that I originally predicted. I think it's gonna sweep these levels here. Probably get to, what is this, like 29, maybe 29,500, and then I think it's gonna reverse. Maybe. I could be wrong. It could continue up. We shall see. We're just gonna wait and watch. We're gonna set our orb strategy and see how it goes. But it did bounce off VWAP here, as you can see on the 5-minute. Retested VWAP and bounced. Filled this imbalance. We still have London highs, which is a magnet for liquidity. So we'll see. Sorry, what I was saying is clear downtrend, guys. Even if you were to switch it to the 4-hour, you would see a clear downtrend. So all these EMAs, unless it can get above those, I'm not looking for longs. Even though we are above VWAP, I want to see it above EMA 50 to even think about longs, because the overall trend is bearish. Alright guys, I'm gonna set the 15-minute orb, but I might just wait for 10 a.m. and might not take the orb. That's your favorite, yeah, wait. Oh, I put it too big, sorry. That's your orb right there. Whoa, 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 you're hitting tip. Alright, so the 15-minute orb is set. And we're gonna set the 15. It just closed right there. Okay, so I'm good. I'm gonna set it here too. We're gonna stay patient, guys. Hopefully we get a break to the downside, to be honest. That's really what I want to see. Maybe a wake of the London highs and then a complete rejection down. There it goes. Is it gonna do that sweep? All right. I set the 15-minute. I know that it's breaking to the upside, but anyways, we wait for a close. I really don't feel. I feel like this is a fake out, guys. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. It might rip. It might, but I don't want to take any longs, guys. I don't want to take any longs. So I set the 15-minute orb on the S&P 500 here. They're both breaking to the upside. I just feel like we have the daily or a daily low here, right? I feel like it's gonna tap this and then reverse, guys. I feel like it's gonna reverse badly at 10 o'clock. That's why I am hesitant to, and look at the candles, guys. They're getting smaller. It's running out of steam. That's the way I see it. They're getting wickier. They're running out of steam. It's gonna reverse. From what it looks like, unless somebody comes in. Guys, I want to tell you what an A+ setup is. If this shoots down, rips through VWAP, inverses this gap right here, closes down here through orb, so you're getting 3 confluences. It shattered through VWAP, it inversed a fair value gap, and it broke out of orb. That's a nice setup. Now you just gotta properly place a good stop loss, because no setup is 100%, even if it is an A+ setup. But we just gotta stay patient, and let's see. See, this is what I was talking about, guys. I didn't think it wanted to go higher. It still could reverse and pump, don't get me wrong, but it's better to wait on this setup, right? Overall trend is bearish, guys, and it is at those key levels where it fails to make a higher high. It makes a higher low and then rejects and goes lower. So just read price action, guys. Just read the price action. It's not always just the breakout. Congratulations. You took this little long here and made money. I would never do that, but if it works, great. I'm gonna wait for the big move. Is gonna be the short for sure. Just stay patient, guys. Just stay patient. It probably wants to sweep that London high before it actually makes the move down. So you're gonna see a pump, and then you'll see the big drop. It might even pump to the Asia high, which is up here, and then come down. But I really don't want to take a long. Look at this rejection here. Right at VWAP, it bounced hard on the S&P 500. So let's see what happens. We do have a pivot right here. The support pivot has turned into a resistance pivot on the S&P 500. So you can see it's obviously going to struggle to break that. And it's kind of bouncing between VWAP. There's only so many times it taps VWAP before it gives out. And it completely reverses. So just hang in there. It might chop a little bit here. So... Guys, I'm staying patient until that 10 a.m. candle on the 1 hour to see which way this thing really wants to go. And if it gets under VWAP on the 1 hour, obviously we're going to start getting a big push to the downside. So I just got to stay patient. It might rip up, but ideally I want to go with the trend, guys. So I'm going to wait for that short until it comes, but we have to be very patient if you're waiting for that short. thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that like button and stay patient, guys. We're waiting for that short to play out. We're just waiting for it to open the 1 hour candle and get under that VWAP and maybe inverse this right here. So that's my my plan right there. I want to see an inversion, strong push to the downside with displacement. So thank you guys for watching Trading with David 305. I appreciate it. If you guys are interested in being on the live stream with me and giving me feedback while you trade, or we can just collaborate, let me know. Let me know. Send me a DM. Let's see if it swipes those London highs. Ugh. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. candle. Let's see how it goes. Stay patient, guys. If you guys want to take the breakout, go for it. No news at 10. Except yellow folder, but I'm not going to take this breakout at 10 a.m. I'm not taking it. It could rip to the pivot point at the top, but I'm going to stay patient, guys. I'm not going to wait. I'm not going to take the long until I can get above these EMAs. It's just low probabilities. For me, it's a higher probability of it going lower. You know, there's the 1 hour candle. So lower probability of this going lower. I mean, a lower probability of this going higher. Look at that. It fails to break the damn orb every time. It's trying. And it could grind to the upside. But there's going to be a sharp move down. Okay? Is this it? Is this the move down? I don't know. Might go all the way down to retest VWAP and then bounce again. I told you it's gonna be choppy here until we get out of this orb. It's gonna stay in this kind of range here. All in this range. until we get a clear move with a imbalance, either to the upside or the downside. But it's very, very choppy right now. So let's see what happens, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the chat, and I will answer it as best as I can. If I know the answer, if I don't, I'll tell you I don't know. Which way is it going, David? I don't know. It can go either way. It can go either way. In case you guys are wondering, what the heck is David waiting for? First of all, we're waiting for a breakout. Second, I really want to see a breakout to the downside. I also want to see a closure of a red candle below VWAP and through this imbalance on the 5-minute. There's an imbalance right here, this green. If this can rip through that and close strongly, I have a strong feeling it's gonna go lower. It's already on the 1 hour candle going to the downside. We just needed to break VWAP so we could take the short. Yeah, I definitely need that confirmation before I take any short to the downside. Because without the confirmation, then I'm not completely sure it wants to deliver all the way down. It did fail to make a higher high here. Obviously, it made a higher low. We are in an overall downtrend, as you can see. So we're looking for it to get under VWAP and take it from there on the lower time frames. We don't have to look for the move all the way down, but maybe 50% of the range, right? It's just that we gotta wait. We gotta be patient, guys. So in case you guys are wondering, I'm looking for a retracement. So 50% of the range would be 29,152. That's 50% of the range. We're looking for the inversion here. So 29,152. 29,000. That's about here. All right, so I'll mark out this level right here. That's 50% of the range right there. Right under this wick, under this candle, under these candles here. That's where there's gonna be a reaction. Yes, sir. FOMC minutes. Yeah, I don't think so. It's not that it's not gonna move the market, but it's not like very, very important news yet. But I hear where you're coming from. FOMC meeting minutes. I mean, they kind of talk about inflation and all that, but there's still a long time till 2 o'clock, man. Market can make a bunch of moves, and then at 2 they could just, you know. Anyways, let me take this out of here. It's kind of confusing. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button so I can grow the channel. Please. Thank you. If you can't hit the like button, that's because you're not logged into YouTube. Make sure you log into your YouTube account. A lot of chop right now. Price is deciding what it wants to do because it's at a key level right now, guys. So is it gonna break to the upside or is it gonna go to the downside? We don't really know. Overall, the trend is bearish. There's a lot of negative sentiment in the market with bombing Iran. So like I said, I'm looking for the big move, which I believe will be the short. I just need to see the confirmation of it breaking through VWAP and through this imbalance. I might be early, I might be late, but we'll see. We'll let the probabilities play out. I highly recommend, if you do trade, risk as low as possible. Or don't trade at all. ATR is 65 and growing. So that means it's very, very volatile, guys. Very difficult to manage the trade if you size up. The movements look small, but these candles are about 40 to 50 points each. All right, so it's tapping VWAP right now. Let's see if it's gonna break through it. Finally. Is it finally gonna break through VWAP? Let's see. We do have EMA 21 here on the 5-minute and EMA 50, so I don't like that, but Overall trend is bearish, so that's helping us out. There it is. Moving down, moving down. We got 3 minutes still, so let's just see what this candle does. But it is finally moving to the downside. There it goes. There it goes. Let's see what happens, guys. Okay, it took out the wick low of this one, so that's a good sign. It is at EMA 21 though, and it is tapping the imbalance. So I want to see a strong push and close before I go short. Hopefully I could get the breakout. If I can't get the breakout, I'll take it prematurely. If it pops right back up, then obviously we're cooked. But overall, what I'm looking for is shorts. Oh, whoa, you see? So we gotta wait until the candle closes. It just got popped by tapping that EMA 21. Let's see what happens here. Just stay patient, guys. That's an ugly pop. That might reverse. Definitely got to break through all these levels, guys. Got to break through these levels strongly to get that confirmation to the downside. As you know, trading is not always very exciting. It's about patience, it's about waiting and letting the market come to you. You don't chase the market, you wait for your setup. So at least if you do lose, you followed your strategy, you followed your plan and your rules. And you have to let probability play out in your favor over a long period of time. If your strategy has an edge, it will play out. Be careful, guys, because this is very tricky here. If you're thinking of longs, I would wait. Man. I don't want it to trap you in a long and then this thing completely reverses and follows the trend. Even though it does look like it's gonna turn into a bullish pin bar, I think that's how it kind of traps traders, and then it completely flushes. Because remember, just overall higher time frame, it's been moving its way down, you know. There it goes. It tried going up again, ran out of gas. I mean, it could be the reverse also, guys. It could want to trap people in shorts and then rip. That's also true, you know. But I gotta go with what the market's showing me. Sometimes you're gonna be wrong. It is what it is. Alright guys, let's see. Does it want to go higher now? This thing got to pop. Oof. Super tricky, guys. Super tricky. Look at this. It just did an inversion here on. Okay, and it's out of gas? No way. Okay, so nasty inversion right here on the S&P 500. It's trying to trap us. It's trying to trap us. Don't fall for it. I mean, if it breaks out and it is this nasty inversion here, it's got to break out hard on ES. It tried to go lower, it didn't. it didn't break the inversion like I wanted it to. So it's possible it wants to go higher. Depends. If it chops me out, it chops me out. But this thing is looking very bullish now. If you pull the... Yeah, even the 4 hour. The 4 hour is looking like a bullish pin bar now. But it has to break out, guys. It has to break out of this square here. That's the orb. It has to break out strongly and close. Close outside the orb. So don't get trapped. Don't get trapped in a long and then this thing goes psych. Psych. All the way to Chinatown. All the way down. Don't let this inversions fool you. That's how they get you. They're like, we're going to inverse it. Got them. And then they flush it. Liquidity. Free liquidity. We got them. It's choppy, man. It's super choppy. Look at this. Straight out of gas. Out of gas. Reversed at the pivot point on ES. Those pivot points, man, when they get broken, that turned from a support pivot to a resistance pivot. So once you're under a support pivot, it's a resistance pivot. This is a support pivot. This is now a resistance pivot. Even though it does say support, it broke through that support in the past. So now it acts as resistance. So let's see. You see, it didn't rip through that strongly. So I don't know, guys. This is super tricky, man. They're making it real hard for us. It failed to make a high, so it has to break this high and the London high to kind of give us an idea that it wants to go higher. If it can't break that or wick through it, make a higher high, then we got a problem. We need to see it wick through, turn into a bullish pin bar, then it'll maybe go for this imbalance here on the 1 hour, which is, by the way, 445. 445. So it's about here. It's about there. That's where this is, right? 29,447. Yeah, it's about there. So, got to go all the way up here, guys. Super tricky. Overall trend is bearish, though. Get it? You see all these wicks? Wick. What does that guy? What does that tell you guys? Come on, let's think this out. There's obviously a lot of sellers pushing the price down. So for us to go long, we need to see a strong candle with no wick. If not, this thing does not want to go up. There it goes. There it goes, guys. There it goes. It's falling apart right now. I told you, be careful. Don't get trapped in that long. I told you guys. All these wicks here show strong selling pressure. If you just read the candlesticks, it's got to break that whole trend. Could this be a bull flag? Possibly. But it's just hanging out here, consolidating at VWAP. Once it breaks out of this orb, we're going to know what direction it really wants to go in. This shit just turned into a doji. So there's a lot of buyers at the bottom too. Right? wick, 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 wick at the bottom. So it's really tricky, guys. It's really tricky right now. It's not ideal conditions, and the ATR is currently 70. So the range is about 70-point range. So just to manage the trade to play out in your direction, whichever way you think it's going to play out, you need at least a wiggle room for your stop loss of about 100 points. So if you're not willing to put 100 points on the table with 1 micro or 2 or whatever, don't do it. Remember, 50 points is 100 bucks on 1 micro. So if you do 100 points, you're risking $200. Are you willing to risk $200? If you're not, don't trade. Don't do it. Also, the conditions aren't great, guys. The conditions are not great. And this thing is just chopping in the middle of orb. So they're really not making it easy. They're not making it easy whatsoever. Okay, it turned into a straight doji. A doji candle. Complete indecision. It doesn't know what to do. It doesn't know what to do. Sorry, I was talking to my sister, just letting her know it's been going sideways for an hour. Sis, can you light a candle, please? Please? Light a candle. This thing needs to go somewhere, like, today. Either go up or go down, but figure it out. Figure it out. My sister's lighting a candle. The market's about to move, guys. Get ready. Get ready. The candle takes usually a few minutes to activate the market. Lauren says, yes, the candle. We need that. Let's go. We need the candle. We got the candle, but we're having technical difficulties looking for fire. Oh, we got it. We got it. Okay. For the NASDAQ specifically. Woo! She lit the candle. There was almost a bonfire in here. Let it burn. All right, the candle's lit. And we're looking at the candles. There's a lot of candles going on here. Yeah. She lit the candle yesterday while watching the Argentina game. And as soon as she lit the candle, Argentina won the soccer game. I'm just saying that was pretty crazy. And she bet on Kalshi and she made a few dollars. So I don't know, man. My sister be doing some witchcraft over here. I'm like, yo, what's up? What's some lotto numbers? Flip the cards on that. Hey, which scratch should I play? 10,000 a day for life. Oh man. All right, this thing is still going sideways. Sis, I don't know. Well, my sister, she did wake up and she goes, Wednesday. Wednesday is one of those days where it's just stuck in the middle. So, and we're literally stuck in the middle of the range, of the opening range. What is it? Okay, here we go. Okay, the candle is being activated. We're seeing a move. Let's look at the 30-minute real quick here. Yeah, I mean, it would be nice if it flushed. At least fill this in and like, come on, get under. Get under. The struggle is real out here, guys. Oh my goodness. 1 second it's going down, the next second it's like, psych, I'm going up. I don't know, man. I don't know. Market is super undecided. Uh-oh, we got multiple candles burning. We got multiple. We lit. Oh, man. Come on, market. Do something except go sideways. This is really going to test our patience today. See how... And while we're waiting, the ATR just keeps going higher and higher. If this shit hits 100 ATR or 90, guys, I'm just gonna shut it down, bro. Like, there's no point even trading the eval, bro. It's just like slowing your progress for no reason. You know what I mean? At this point, I heard a lot of traders say that they're gonna switch over to the S&P 500 because it's been cleaner price action than NASDAQ. If you switch over to the 5-minute, I don't see anything cleaner here. This shit looks like ass. It's about to break to the downside, but here, I guess it's a slightly cleaner. It tapped and it's going down, I guess. I don't know. Let's see what happens, guys, man. This shit is just trash. And we get a strong closure down here. I'll take a short. I'll take a short. Whatever. One micro on the eval. Win or lose. Whatever happens. But I want to see a strong red candle to the downside. Come on. Come on. It takes my sister's candle a little bit to activate. So just give it a moment. But I kind of see that it wants to go down now. Finally. Okay. Finally seeing a move now at 10:36 a.m. after 9:30 open. It only took my sister 2 candles. And a prayer. Oh, that's it.
That's what it is. You have to light the candle and pray.
Gotta light the candle and pray. It's not just light the candle. Oh, come on. The candles on the chart are just going sideways. It's just like, I'm going down. Psych! I'm going up. I don't know what to tell you guys. This is crazy. Look at this sweep. Going complete sideways, man. Are we gonna get a flush here? The orb is running out of juice. This is the S&P 500. This is the NASDAQ. We're going sideways. Market opens here. Pumped. Ran out of juice. Went right back to VWAP and is consolidating for the last hour and 8 minutes. Oh man. Come on, NASDAQ, figure it out. Nah, Trump le metió bomba. Iran. That's pretty much the big headline. And now, I guess institutions and everybody is kind of like, is this shit ever gonna end? And everybody's just waiting for there to be like, it's already a pattern. Every time he bombs them, they come to the table, they make a deal, it lasts for a week, somebody messes the ceasefire, they go back to the table, there's no deal, they bomb each other a little bit. It's like a never-ending vicious circle. So the market is like, okay, down, okay, up, down, up, and it just doesn't know where to go. At this point, it's just like, I'm gonna go sideways. Conspiracy theories. I mean, anything's possible at this point. Anything is possible. All right, so it's clearly breaking out and making a move. This is why people are saying ES is cleaner. It's breaking a breakout of ORB on ES, but here it's obviously still in the range. I'm just gonna stay patient because we trade the NASDAQ. Let's see what happens. I mean, it was a pretty strong closure. Let's see. Look at this. It just goes right back up. I don't know, man. Retest the bottom of orb. This thing doesn't want to flush. Doesn't want to reverse. What the heck? Every time it's ripped up. Look at this. Ripped up. Red candle. Took it out. Wants to fill this little gap here. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, guys. Would it be maybe a short now? I don't know. Too early? It did reject. It rejected. It's going back. I want to see the confirmation. Maybe I'm waiting too much. I don't know, but market's just super undecided. I'm trying to stay patient here. And also ATR, the average trading range, is 72. So it's gonna be at minimum 100 points. Come on. Left. That one.
Yeah, this is the color. But in order for me to like this
For highlights?
yeah, so I usually
Oh, okay. Aight. Uh-oh, we're getting some volatility here. Will it dump? Please do something. Please. Sorry, let me move this out the way. Yeah, I told everybody I could collaborate, but you know, people are shy. They don't want to show their face. They like to trade, you know, without putting too much input, I guess. It's not easy. It's not easy to trade live and show your face. Yeah. No, okay, we're getting a move here, though. Finally. It's not even like I have that many people that watch, so like no, it's not that. So let's see. Okay, it went lower. It's going lower. It's trying. If this closes strongly, I will put in a short. If it flips green, then no. But so undecided, man. It's flipping back, so it's a doji. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I want this to at least close red. No, I don't like this. I don't like this wick up. I have to wait. We're gonna have to wait. All right, well, it's finally going now. It closed as an indecision candle, and now it's going down. We're gonna wait until this candle closes. It's very tricky, guys. Oh my goodness, man. Yeah, I mean, it is going lower and lower. It did reject off VWAP here, but then it wicked right back up. So if it would have closed strongly red, like even with a little wick, I would have taken this. But the reason I didn't take the short there was because it was a doji. So dojis usually mean possibly a reversal to the upside or the downside. It doesn't. It's just not an ideal short, even though it is going lower. Still some time here. All right, we're getting a breakdown to the downside on NQ finally. If this closes strongly bearish, all right, that's where this imbalance is. Hopefully it doesn't get to that imbalance before this candle closes in 2 minutes. Give me a moment to enter the damn trade. Man, they don't make it easy, man. They definitely are not making this shit easy. Hopefully we can get some continuation to the downside without some crazy ass green giant. Oh, slow down, slow down. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Let's start trading on the damn 1 minute chart, bro. It's just to get into the freaking trade. on time. All right, well, let's see what happens here, guys. We got 1 minute and 20 seconds. I might take the short here. ATR is 72. So if I'm gonna place my stop, I don't even know if it'll be a 100-point stop. It'll just be at structure. And I would say the structure would be somewhere up here or up here to take the short here, which could be 200 points. But these markets are moving so ridiculous, man. Looks like it wants to go lower, you know. It looks like it wants to go lower. I've been saying it wants to go lower. I've been saying it's in a bearish trend. I've been saying wait for the short. It's been wiki. My sister finally lit the candle. Now it's finally moving. 20 seconds. I'm gonna take the short if it breaks. I'm gonna take it and be done with it. 1 micro. Waiting for this to close. 10 seconds.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh shit. It almost came up and tapped me out. Oh my god. Damn bracket order. Alright, you guys could take your so I am risking 227. This thing is completely flushing. Come on. I'm good with 120, man. Like, I know this is a negative risk to reward, but there we go. I'm gonna do this real quick. If that is $37. Oh no. Oh, it's like it almost knew I put my stop there for a second. Holy shit. Come on, don't come back up. Oh, come on. Get down there, bro. Where was I? Right here, right? If it gets above that, I don't want to be in the trade. I'll tell you that much. We're gonna go. Let's try to have at least a positive risk to reward here. If I lose this trade, guys, I'm out. It is what it is. We're in shorts. It's retesting the orb. Hopefully we get a nice little rejection and it continues to flush. Or it's just gonna do a complete V-shaped recovery and go to the fucking moon. Sorry about the curse words, but it's just, this is how the market goes. Alright, you retested the bottom of orb. It did go into profit slightly, like about 40 bucks, but oh my goodness, complete fucking reversal. So annoying, bro. So annoying. If it stops me out, it stops me out, guys. That's where it's gonna be. That is the point of, if it wants to get past that, then I don't want to be in the trade, because it might be doing a V shape or might like rip to the upside. So Let's see. Hopefully I gave it enough wiggle room for the trade to play out. Come on. Come on, get down there. Alright, broke super trend, so it flipped. We are at a support pivot on ES, so this is why. Yeah, there we go. Fuck me.
Stop filled.
What the fuck, bro? Alright, this is why. Fucking came out of nowhere with some crazy ass fucking juice. And of course I lost more than I was supposed to. Oh no. Or yeah. Yeah. 232. I think I had it at like 218. 2 something. What a fucking reversal, bro. My god. Alright, well, that's that. Complete reversal, bro. The market was just waiting for me to go short so I could flip it. Insanity. It's too volatile, guys. It's just too volatile to manage this shit. Now it goes all the way down. It's gonna go all the way back down again. Or is it gonna do a complete V shape? Let's see. So crazy, bro. It came all the way up here just to stop my ass out. No way. Talk about a support level here. What a bad one, guys. What a bad one. Yeah, these conditions are just too volatile, man. Way too volatile. Look at this bullshit. Right back to the middle of orb. Right back to the fucking middle, bro. I can't make this up. Right back to the middle of the damn orb. Not even some clean PA. Now it flushes. Don't tell me now it flushes, bro. Yo. Alright, I will take one more trade. And if I lose that one, I'm done. We'll do one micro again. But I gotta see a clean break to the downside. Maybe I was just way too early. But I gotta see a break to the downside. Yeah, no, I mean, I don't know who could sustain a freaking pop like that. Took the short here at the close of the candle. This shit went up 125 points, Lauren. 125 points to the upside. I'm guessing, you know, like, oh, VWAP's gonna slow it down. You know, the top of here, give it a little space, but I don't really want to risk that much more. You know, I'd rather get out of the trade and then look for a better trade. That's the key. You got to cut the losses quick. That's the key, guys. Cut the loss quick and find a better entry. If you can't find the better entry, just turn the computer off and wait for another day. ATR is at 80, so I don't know. I do still believe it wants to go lower. It just did this retarded ass pop to retest VWAP again and EMA 200. So let's see if in a minute it closes under ORB again. I'll take the short. If it chops us out again, obviously I'm done for the day. It's like 2 losses and tomorrow's another day and that's it. 2 losses on an eval. So talk about managing risk. We're also going to be taking the trade at the 11 o'clock candle if it breaks to the downside, which is kind of scary. It's a little scary. Okay, it's gonna be volatile. I don't think it's going to, it's not going down, man. Looks like this shit is going up.
Order filled.
I took a short. I'm gonna do it again. If it doesn't get down there, then I don't want it. I'm already down 200, so I know that was super last minute, but whatever. Let's see real quick. I'm down 246, so I need to get that back. 246. Oh no, sorry. It's like two something. So let's go here. If it wants to pop right back up and take me out, then take me out, bro. I'm done. I'll be done if it does that. Actually, okay, let's go straight. I know you want to go low. I know you want to go lower. Just give it to me. I'm short already. Again, this is my last trade. Win or lose. We're going to hang on here for dear life. Auto trail will probably kick in and try to mess me up, to be honest. I know I'm asking for a lot here, but market is at 80 ATR, so come on, let's get a nasty flush. Let's get a nasty flush at 1 o'clock, the 11 o'clock hour. Let's go, flush it, flush it. No. Come on, flush it. Auto trail is probably gonna hit, and then it's gonna hit break even. Watch. Auto trail is gonna kick in, and then it's gonna break me even. It's gonna fly. Come on, dump it. Dump it. Fill the gap. Don't rip up. Don't do that. Come on. There you go. There you go. Oh my gosh. It's weak. What's this chop, man? Let's get a nice flush. This is my last trade. Win or lose, guys. Whatever happens. And I feel, or break even. Because win or lose or break even, it is what it is. The chop is real. The volatility is real. Come on. Get down there. Stop playing. Stop playing. Come on. Give me at least 40 points. It does not do it, man. It does not. Some bullshit, man. It's just swiping everybody out of the trade. It's like pop out, straight down, pop, straight out. Like, there's no way. Where did I put my TP? Way down there. See if I'll put it on the at the swing low, or maybe here is a good spot. 0.52. There we go. Come on, man. I know you want to go lower. Just flush it. Flush it. Go straight down. Flush it. Down the toilet. Come on. Y'all can take profit whenever you want here, you know, like it's very, very volatile. There you go, 40 bucks. Unless you went in with heavier contracts, but come on. Dump it. Dump it. Oh my god, here we go with the bullshit again. Come on. Go lower. Come on. Stop grinding. Stop grinding. Flush it. Stuck at EMA 21 here on the 15-minute time frame. Gonna freaking pump all the way up again. Here we go again. Here we go again. Well, I tell you guys, close it. This shit is just super choppy, guys. Super choppy. So if I lose this one, I'm done. If I win, great. If I break even, it's a break even trade. It might be a break even. It might be a loss. I don't know if this will be a win. Come on, let's go. Let's go. That was a nice push. That was a nice sell. Oh, psych. Right back up. Oh, come on, man. So it's dumb. Dumb, so my auto trail kicks in. Where are these buyers coming from, bro? Everybody just sell. Sell off. This random FU candle came out of nowhere. To go lower, guys. There we go. Come on. Lower. my goodness. Oh, of course, when I enter the trade, that's when it struggles. No, I don't know. It's just super, super undecided, man. Come on. 1 minute. Flush it. Now this thing wants to go up again. Oh my gosh. Let's get some continuation, please. Let's go. Flush this. Come on, let's get a crazy ass candle to the downside. Some crazy ass news candle. Straight down. All right, next candle opening now. Let's see. Yeah, psych. There it is. Come on. A little more. A little more for auto trail to kick in. Probably gonna get hit. If it does dump over 60 points. I'm sorry, over 40 points, the auto trail kicks in. It's probably gonna hit break even. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. The struggle bus here, man. The freaking struggle bus. 4 minutes on this candle. Will it go lower? Is it gonna make a lower low? Gotta let it play out, guys. Gotta let it play out. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. This is a win or lose. Whatever happens, I'll be done, because obviously been on the charts here for some time and this thing has failed to make a move. Only one move, but it literally reversed on me, took me out, and then went down. All right, finally. A little bit more, baby. A little bit more. And there's auto trail. And it's going to come up and stop me out probably. Is it going to come all the way back up? Probably. And I know it's super, super volatile. I could leave it up here. What was it? I could leave it up there. I'm willing to lose, guys. I'm willing to lose 189. Wow. I went down. Failed to go lower, but I have a feeling it wants to go lower. So it probably would have hit my break even if I didn't move it up. If it goes lower, the auto trail is going to kick in again. Come on. Look at the 1 hour, guys. It's following the trend. The trend is your friend, right? It's going down. Come on. Give it. Give it up. Give it up. Here it comes. Auto trail's gonna kick in again. Once it hits. Fuck. It knows. It knows. It knows, guys. It knows. Ah. I'm fighting it. I'm fighting the damn trend, bro. I mean, I'm fighting the auto trail.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna close it out there, guys, because it's gonna pop right back up and hit me at break even. Whatever. We lost 100 for the day. Well, really, $43. So we could get that back later. It's just very volatile, guys. The short did play out on the second try here. The first one obviously cooked me. I put a big ass stop loss. That's why I'm still down 100. But it's all good. We got something back. I'm gonna end the stream here. Took one loss, took one win, and look where I closed it. Right when it rips back up, it would have hit me at break even. So I had to close that out. It was over $100. So at least we're only negative 100. Only $43 on the week. We can come back from that. It's Wednesday. We still have Thursday and Friday to end the week positive. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this short disaster. But it finally played out more or less. How many points did I get on that? Let's see real quick. I did take the short about here, right? $66 points. 66 points to the downside. All right. Hopefully you guys got some money back or got all your money back. But yeah, it was rough, man. That was a rough trading session, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. And it's going to continue going lower now because, of course, I'm out of the trade. And I can't handle this volatility. ATR is 76. Y'all have a great Wednesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow, Thursday at 9 a.m. If you guys want to collaborate with me, send me a DM. You'll be on the live stream with me, and we'll be talking it out. I get it. I get it. You guys have jobs, can't be on. I get it. But it doesn't have to be for the whole stream. Y'all take it easy. I will see you tomorrow. Later. Oh, here we go. Later.